Look up there, Robo. What's that shiny star? It's so bright. That's not a star, Lilo. That bright spark in the sky is a planet. It's called Venus. Wow, a planet. Can we go see it up close? Please, please, please. Of course, Lilo. Buckle up. Initiating countdown for our adventure to planet Venus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. We're going to Venus. This is so exciting. I feel like a real astronaut. Our spaceship is traveling super fast through space. See all those twinkling stars whizzing by? We'll be at Venus in just a moment. It's getting brighter, Robo. Is that it? It looks like a glowing yellow ball. That's her, Lilo. Welcome to Venus, also known as the morning star or the evening star, because it's often the first or last bright spot you can see in the sky, right around sunrise or sunset. It's so beautiful. It's like a big, shiny pearl in the sky. Can we land and walk on it? Hold on, little explorer. Venus is a very special and tricky place. Let's take a look through our spaceship's super-duper scanner first. Okay, what does the scanner see? The scanner shows that Venus is covered in a super thick blanket of clouds. These clouds are not like the fluffy white clouds on Earth. They are made of a chemical called sulfuric acid, which is why we can't go outside. It wouldn't be safe for us. Oh, so we can't build a sandcastle? No sandcastles on Venus, I'm afraid. But these clouds do something amazing. They trap the sun's heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our entire solar system. Hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. That's right. It's super hot on Venus. Hotter than an oven baking pizza. The temperature can get up to 465 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt a metal like lead. Wow, that's really hot. So, no snowmen either, then. What's underneath all those clouds? Let's use our special cloud-piercing camera. Engaging now. Look, Lilo. Underneath the clouds, the ground of Venus is rocky and dusty. And see those big mountains? They're huge. Are they like the mountains on Earth? They are, but many of them are actually volcanoes. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in our solar system. Thousands and thousands of them. Volcanoes. Do they erupt with hot lava, like the ones in my dinosaur books? Scientists think some of them might still be active, meaning they could erupt with lava. It would be quite a sight. A river of glowing, hot rock. Voila! A whole planet of volcanoes. That's so cool. Is there anything else special about Venus? There is. Venus is a bit of a slowpoke. It spins very slowly. In fact, a day on Venus is longer than a whole year on Venus. Wait, what? A day is longer than a year? That sounds silly. How can that be? It's one of the most curious things about Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to spin around just once. That's one Venus day. But it only takes 225 Earth days to go all the way around the sun. That's one Venus year. So, you'd celebrate your birthday before a single day was even over. That's so funny. I'd have a birthday party every day. My head feels dizzy just thinking about it. Ha ha ha. It is a bit topsy-turvy, isn't it? Another funny thing is that Venus spins backward compared to Earth and most other planets. So on Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Everything is opposite. What about the air, Robo? Can we breathe it? Good question, Lilo, the air or atmosphere on Venus is very thick and heavy. It's almost all carbon dioxide, the same stuff we breathe out. The pressure is so strong it would feel like being deep, deep, deep under the ocean. It would squish our spaceship flat if we weren't in our super strong craft. So, thick clouds, super hot, crazy long days, and squishy air. Venus is a very extreme planet. Exactly. It's Earth's neighbor, and they are almost the same size, which is why some people call Venus Earth's twin. But as you can see, they are very, very different twins. It's more like Earth's super hot, mysterious twin. I have another question. Are there any aliens or animals on Venus? Scientists have looked and looked, but with the extreme heat and thick, heavy air, they haven't found any life on Venus. It is too tough of a place for any animals or plants that we know of to live. Aw, that's a little sad. No Venusian space puppies to play with. No space puppies. But isn't it amazing to learn about such a different and powerful world? Each planet has its own special secrets. And now, are you ready for a quick quiz to see what you remember? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, question 1. What is Venus's nickname because it's so bright in our sky? The morning star or the evening star. Correct. You're a star student. Question 2. Is Venus the hottest or the coldest planet in our solar system? The hottest. Super duper hot. Hotter than a pizza oven. You got it. And finally, question 3. What is longer on Venus, a day or a year? This was a silly one. A day is longer than a year. Fantastic, Lilo. You've learned so much about our amazing neighbor, Venus. You are an official Venus explorer. Hooray! I'm a Venus explorer. This was the best trip ever, Robo. Thanks for taking me. You're welcome, Lilo. There's a whole universe of wonders out there waiting for us to discover. It's time to head back home now. Wave goodbye to Venus. Bye-bye, shiny Venus. Thanks for showing us your secrets. Our Venus adventure was so much fun. We learned that it's the hottest planet, covered in thick clouds, has thousands of volcanoes, and has a super long, backward day. What an incredible place! Thank you all for joining us on our trip to Venus. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Keep looking up at the stars and stay curious. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more space adventures with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.